right, so perception engineering, our mission is to change the perception of contract engineering services one relationship at a time. So the way we do this is we strive to become an extension of our customers' teams, not just somebody focused on a specific task or a specific project. So my journey with perception engineering started as a customer. As somebody that was formerly looking for contract engineering services, I came to perception engineering to fill that need. After a couple of years of working as a customer, I decided to join the team when there was a sales opportunity, and that gradually flowed into more of an operations role and eventually owner-operator of the company now. I think perception engineering is unique because we strive to go beyond our particular project that we're working on or just filling one seat or one role with our customer. We look beyond maybe a particular deadline or a deliverable, and we strive to be providing the most value as possible in our customer workstream. So we use SOLIDWORKS in a lot of different ways. Primarily it is as a tool for adding value to our customers' workstreams. So that could be with integrating something like 3D Experience for collaboration with our customers, and also to handle file transfer in large amount of data, or even building workflows around that integrated SOLIDWORKS process. It's also helped us internally on some projects where we're just taking that step to get our designs or our files into a modern configuration. Working with SWYFT as a part of our product development process, we've been able to efficiently and quickly work through our projects with our customers. So the speed of response when we are struggling with something from SWYFT Solutions has greatly benefited that process. The team is very much aligned with our core values, and that comes through when working with SWYFT Solutions. For perception engineering, we're hoping to grow, and we hope to aspire in the way that we support our customers and add value to their work stream, and especially focused around product management and product development.